Tracking Nicholas, the storm slammed into the Texas Gulf Coast, leaving hundreds of thousands without power. But it missed one of the areas hit hard by Harvey. Eyewitness News reporter Anastasia Bolton is in Aransas Pass today.
Understanding not everyone is this lucky, but a beautiful day in Aransas Pass. This after yesterday when a bit of rain and wind came through the area as Nicholas went by on its way somewhere else.
I'm doing my routine walk.
Keeping a routine is a privilege in a coastal community during hurricane season.
We always prepare for the worst, but so happened that we didn't get it, nothing but wind. We got a shower.
Those showers forced Daryl Stevens to cut his Monday walk short and added to his workload at home.
Like brought my plants in, my lawn chairs in and things like that.
Nicholas didn't really do anything in Aransas County. For that, Daryl is grateful.
We dodged a bullet.
But being from here, he knows his routine will be interrupted again. It's just what happens in a coastal community.
It's not over yet. You know, you got to November.
A necessary attitude, living so close to all this. In Aransas Pass, I'm Anastasia Bolton. Back to you.